What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Your 20s are a very important time period that decide over so many things, like for example your success and your health as well. And because I already made a lot of mistakes in my 20s, I created today's video to show you the top 5 things that every man should avoid and stop doing right now. So if you don't want to make the same mistakes, this video is made for you. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start directly with number 1, chasing other people. This is such a big mistake a lot of people, or the majority of people, are doing. They simply chase people instead of becoming the chased one and becoming their attractive version ever. I promise you in the long term it will just waste you a lot of time and also keep you away from your main purpose as well. So please, instead of chasing other people, set the focus completely on yourself, become your most attractive and most successful version ever, and I promise you other people will chase you. Let's continue with number 2, eating junk and processed food. There are so many studies that actually prove that eating junk food and processed food on a daily basis will simply lead to so many different health diseases. For example, a lot of cancer and heart disease types are simply caused by the wrong diet over a long period of time. And besides harming your health, eating junk food and processed food on a daily basis will also make you ugly by leading to pimples, hair loss and making you fat as well. So instead of eating all this junk food and processed food, replace it with a lot of whole foods, like for example a lot of fruits, vegetables, grains and so on. I promise you, you will feel much better, you will look better and also improve your health as well. Let's continue with number 3, not doing your own thing. I mean, we only got this one life, so please do yourself a favor and don't live the life of someone else. Do whatever makes you feel happy in your private and your career life as well. And stop wasting your time by going to a job that you really hate, because in the end, your time is the most worthy resource. Simply go your own way, create your own business. In today's age, there are so many different opportunities that you can use in order to become your best and most happy version ever. Let's continue with number 4, you need to learn on how you can be happy by yourself. You don't always need to have people and things around you in order to be happy. Just be grateful for everything that you have, for your health and much more. I promise you there's always a reason to be happy and you simply don't need to depend on other people for that. So learn how to be happy on your own and I promise you, your life will become way better. And last but not least, number 5, avoid all of those bad habits like smoking, drinking, doing drugs and other things. Yes, it might provide you with pleasure in the current moment, but in the long term it has so many disadvantages for your health, your well-being and your attractiveness as well. Be grateful for the life that you have, it is a gift, and stop destroying yourself. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.